Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Nectar Points on eBay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in ebay.com. And once you're inside here, you'll be seeing a homepage like this. Now if you are logged into your account, be sure to be logged into your account. And once you're here, simply you'll be seeing an option on the top of the bar that says Nectar. Simply click on that, and once you click on Nectar, you'll be sent to this interface. Right now, all you gotta do is simply click on this linked account. Once you click on link account, you'll be seeing a dialog box or pop-up box saying link your card now. All you gotta do is enter in your 11-digit Nectar card code and then click on submit. And once you do that, you'll be linked to your account. Then all you gotta do is click on get started and follow the instructions, and you'll need to enter in your Nectar account details. And all you gotta do is just convert your points into eBay voucher and then use that voucher on eBay. And that's basically how to use Nectar Points on eBay. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.